Thinking about renting a car in Italy? Great idea for reaching hill towns, vineyards, beaches, and places trains don't quite reach. Today, I'll walk you through requirements, where to pick up, road rules, tolls, ZTLs, safety tips, and long-term options, so your road trip is smooth from pickup to drop-off. What you need to rent. To rent in Italy, you'll need a valid license, and if your license is from outside the EU, an international driving permit, IDP, or a sworn translation, an ID in your name, and a credit card in the main driver's name. Many companies set minimum ages, often 21 to 23, and require you to have held a license for at least a year. Always check your booking for exact limits. Tip for Australians: local motoring clubs, like NRMA, etc., issue IDPs in Australia. Where to pick up? City versus airport versus outskirts. City center pickups can be convenient if you're already in town, but they come with traffic, ZTL risk, and tight streets. Airports or out-of-town depots are often easier for a clean getaway. For example, Florence Airport's rental center is a short shuttle ride from the terminal, super straightforward. Another strategy: take a train out of a big city and pick up the car in a smaller town. Popular spots include Chianciano or Orvieto on the Rome-Tuscany line. It saves driving in dense centers and avoids ZTLs. ZTL, restricted traffic zones. Watch this video in our channel. Most historic centers have ZTLs. Sometimes, but not always, with electronic gates that automatically enforce restricted access at set times. Enter without a permit and you'll get a fine, and it's a big fine, sometimes months later. Always check with your hotel for instructions. They can often register your plate so that you're allowed to enter. Rome publishes ZTL hours and info in English. Check before you drive into the center. Key Italian road rules, the bite-size version. Drive on the right. Speed limits: 130 kilometers per hour, autostrada 110, main roads 90, secondary 50, towns. Lights: keep dipped beams on outside built-up areas and in tunnels. Seatbelts for everyone. Phones, hands-free only. Alcohol limit: 0.5 and 0.0 for new professional drivers. That's the nutshell. Stick to posted signs for local variations. Tolls, telepass, and speed cameras. Most motorways are toll roads. You'll usually take a ticket when you enter and pay when you exit, by cash or card. Some rentals offer telepass, electronic tolling for quicker lanes, handy but check fees. On many motorways, you'll also see Tudor average speed systems, not just a single speed camera. They calculate your average over a stretch, so keep an eye on your speed the whole way. Safety and theft prevention. Italy is generally safe, but theft from parked cars happens, especially around tourist sites and motorway service areas. Don't leave bags in the car, even in the boot, and be alert at service stations. So the advice I got from police in Italy was, if you don't want to lose it, don't leave it in the car. Booking smart and pickup day game plan. Compare well-known brands and locations for opening hours and after-hours return. At pickup, check fuel policy, mileage, and insurance options. CDW, TP, zero excess, tires, glass. Do a slow walk around and photograph all panels, wheels, glass, interior, and the fuel level. This was actually recommended to me by a car rental manager. Better to have the pickup proof than try to argue the point later. It also sends a message that you are alert to some of the scams in the industry. Note that at big city train stations, the counter and the car park garage may be different locations. For example, at Rome Termini, counters are by Via Giovanni Giolitti, while returns often use the multi-story on Via Marsala. Follow the car rental garage signs. Allow extra time. Long-term, 1 to 5 months alternatives. If you need a car for several weeks to months, look at the French tax-free buyback lease programs for non-EU visitors. Current options include Car2 Europe, Peugeot DS Citroën, and Renault Eurodrive. You get a brand new car, full insurance with no deductible, and can pick up in Italy on select plans. Compare pricing and pickup cities. Wrap up and quick checklist. License plus IDP if non-EU, passport, credit card, and driver's name. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information helpful. Bonus tip: if you have an Avis Preferred Driver account or a budget club, both free to join, think about making your bookings from your hometown. That way, if something does go wrong, you have a hometown contact point to deal with it. This may be also possible to do when you are in Italy by using the company app and sometimes with a VPN. Oh, and if you found this information helpful, you should also check out our many videos on Italian travel. If you subscribe to our channel, which is free to do, that will make it very easy for you. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.